Hey, good morning. It's New York City Reloader here. I just wanted to talk about some brass that I picked up from the place called the Brass Outlet and Shooter Supply. I got the link from a posting done by Vanilla Gorilla. I think it was on YouTube or the Reloaders Network. But either way, I went ahead and picked up some brass, 9 millimeter brass, because it was so inexpensive. Going to their website now real quick, and I think I purchased about $25 worth of brass, $25 per thousand. So I purchased 2,000 rounds of once fired 9 millimeter brass cases. And I have to tell you that it is the cleanest brass that I've ever seen. So I'm going to take a moment and show you how it came in packaged and talk a little bit about their product and their offerings. The website is thebrassoutlet.com and Shooter Supply. If you get a chance, go check them out because that's where I'm going to be purchasing all my brass from now on. I got two packages of 1,000 9mm, and actually it's about 1,100 pieces they give you, just in case you get some cases in there that are Berdan, which I got two Berdan, and I got a couple of cases that definitely had cracks in them. It's impossible to sort all of them out perfectly, but they did a good job. I think the biggest thing that comes to mind is after I deprime these things, I didn't have to clean them. They were all spotless. They came in cleaned already. Even though I had to pop out the primers, the cases themselves are extremely clean. So much so that after cleaning the primer pockets, I may or may not go ahead and wash, wet tumble them and dry them again, because I think they're just about ready to load. All of them came in good size, didn't have to trim any of them. I think that's just the fact that they have good brass. I'm really happy with it. I want to tell you guys to go out there and take a look at it. Again, inside the package in a box, and they gave me 2 packs of 1,000. And these are the raw, cases that come out, and they're just clean. I mean, they've just tumbled them and cleaned them up, so they look amazing. I know they're once fired brass because obviously they still have the primers in them, and I'll knock the primers out, obviously. But it's a great value. 1,000 rounds, or actually 1,100 rounds for $25. Very happy with my purchase. I'm going to be buying all my brass from these guys from now on. When you get a chance, definitely stop by the brass outlet and check it out and buy your brass from these guys. Great prices, great customer service, great follow-up. I had the opportunity to call them and speak with them about the brass. In closing, I just want to say, talking to them on the phone, they're a great bunch of guys. I had some concerns about a Berdan primer or two that I got. That was essentially, you'll see the 2 little notches back there. It's a little difficult to see, but it is a Berdan primer. And I was literally, I said, oh, I hope there's not a whole lot in there. But in 1,100 rounds, there were 2 Berdan primers in there. It's a rare case anyway. I'll put those to the side. One of these days, I'll actually start depriming some of the Berdans and converting them to regular. But for now, I was very happy. I also got one case that was cracked in 1,100. So again, I purchased 1,000. They gave me 1,100 cases, and I think 3 of them in total. I had a problem with 2 Berdans and 1 case that was cracked. Other than that, they came spotlessly clean. They really took some time cleaning their cases, which is rare. Normally, when I go ahead and process this stuff, it's very dirty, and I've got to clean them, and I've got to, dry them out and then check them all out. But they did a good batch of the work for me. So most of these, after I pop out the primers, will be ready to load. So very happy with it. When you get a chance, definitely stop by and tell them Kevin sent you. Thanks. Bye.